How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install wind deflectors on your car. In the pack it will have your wind deflectors, bags of clips are shown above. You'll need 2 clips for each wind deflector, and here are some small diagrams that show you how to install the clips on the wind deflectors after you put them into the car. So let's get into it. So first thing you want to do is take your wind deflector and check that it matches the general shape of the door of your car. As long as it matches, then that means it should fit into place and it's the correct ones that have been sent for your car. Then you're going to peel off the protective labels which are on top of the stickers. So this will help to adhere the wind deflector to the inside of the car's window frame. Once you remove them, you slot the front end of the wind deflector near the rear view mirrors, side mirrors. You slot them in first, and then you work your way up the wind deflector onto the other side. Then you insert the back end of the wind deflector, and then you bend the wind deflector and push it into place. It may seem like it will snap, but be assured that it's flexible plastic and it's not going to snap on you. So you can see that there I've installed it into place. So the installation for the passenger side is exactly the same as the driver's side. So next you want to get one of your clips. As I said, there's 2 for each wind deflector. You take the clip, and at the very end of the wind deflector you want to push the clip between where the window will come up into the frame. So what that will do is it will push the wind deflector against the frame of the car to give ample access for the window to still function as it should normally. So there you can see I'm just using a screwdriver, or you can use some kind of plastic tool to push it into place. So you can see there it's clipped in. So next we want to do the same on the other side of the wind deflector. So same as what we did just now, you want to push it into place. I always try and aim to put it in the corner, so as you can see, the corner of the frame. And again, you're just going to slide it in, push it into place, and then just use a screwdriver or some plastic tool to just basically push it all the way in. And it's as simple as that. There you can see is a recess which the window, like a channel which the window can actually move through. Then you want to test it. So put the window up, you'll hear like a crunching plastic kind of sound. Nothing's breaking. What's happening is it's just pushing the wind deflector into its natural position. So then there you go. Then we can move on to the back one. So again, double check it matches the size of the window and the size of the door frame. Peel off the protective labels on top of the stickers. These stickers are quite good at holding it in place, but you definitely still want to put the clips on the back so it holds it in place a lot better, and it will stop the wind deflector from sliding out. So the back ones are even more simple because there's no curve. You literally just slide it into place like so, and then once it's into place, you take 2 of the clips again, put 1 in each end. So there you can see again I'm using the screwdriver to just push it down. It's probably better to use some kind of plastic tool just to make sure that you don't rip the rubber, but I've done this quite a few times now and I've only had a screwdriver to hand. If while you're installing it you do pull out any of the window seals in your car, that's not an issue. You literally just got to put it back in place. The seals, they're not actually clipped in along that top edge. So if it does seem like it's pulled it out of place, you just literally push it all back in. And there you can see that's one of the clips. So it creates the channel for the window to go through. And then again, the other side, that's another clip there, which creates the channel for the window to go through. And it's as simple as that. So I hope you liked the video. If you did and it did help you, then please like, share, subscribe. If you'd like me to do any other videos similar to this or anything else you'd like me to install or review, then please put it in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.